Time to give your espresso machine a thorough clean. Now, let's prepare the descaling solution. Pour the citric acid descaling powder into water and stir until it fully dissolves. Then, pour the solution into the water tank up to the max line. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Once preheated, the machine enters standby mode. Place a container under the group head. We recommend using one with a capacity of over 900 milliliters. While in standby mode, press and hold both the single cup and double cup buttons for more than 4 seconds. Now is the first round. Press the single cup button. The group head will begin to dispense the solution. Once the water flow stops, the power and steam buttons will remain steadily lit. Move the container under the steam wand. Press the steam button. Then turn the dial to the hot water position. The steam wand will begin dispensing hot water. Once the flow is complete, the power button stays on and the steam button blinks. Turn the dial back to the off position. Now is the second round. Refill the tank with the descaling solution up to the max line. Place the container under the group head again. Press the double cup button. The group head begins to dispense water. Once it finishes, the power and steam buttons will stay on. Move the container to the steam wand outlet. Press the steam button. Turn the dial to the hot water position. Once the water flow stops, turn the dial back to off. The machine will heat up again and start the second round. The descaling process is now complete. The machine returns to standby mode. Remove the water tank. Pour out any remaining descaling solution and rinse the tank thoroughly. Reattach the tank to the machine. Refill with clean drinking water above the MIN line and below the max line. Lace a container under both the group head and steam wand again. Press the double cup button. The group head will flush out clean water. Once complete, press the steam button to begin preheating. When ready, turn the dial to steam. And let the steam run for about 30 seconds. Once done, turn the dial back to off. Position to stop the steam flow. Press the double cup button again to return the machine to standby mode. Turn the dial to the hot water position. Hot water will flow from the steam wand. Once complete, turn the dial back to off. The water stops flowing. Pour out the water from the container. Finally, wipe the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. Now your machine is all set to brew delicious espresso. Enjoy.